Believe it or not, Roblox once tried to go full on AAA. I'm talking $1 million budgets, cinematic shooters, giant open world RPGs, the kind of stuff you'd expect from Xbox or PlayStation, but not on Roblox. They poured over $35 million into this experiment, funding games like Frontlines, Rolling Thunder, and Winds of Fortune. Some of them looked incredible, but if you're wondering why you don't really hear about them anymore, well, that's what I want to talk about today. So, how this all started, back in 2021, Roblox launched something called the Game Fund. Later, they renamed it to the Creator Fund, but the idea was the same. Roblox wanted to bankroll projects that didn't look or feel like typical Roblox games, and this wasn't pocket change either. Every project in the fund got at least $500,000 in milestone payments. And when you add it all up, Roblox put over $35 million into this program. The pitch was simple: take Roblox Studio, but build something that feels like an Xbox or PlayStation title. Higher graphics, pro-level animations, bigger teams, a real feeling AAA title. The idea was to prove Roblox wasn't just obbies, role-playing games, or even wacky gimmicks. They wanted to show investors, brands, and honestly the whole gaming industry that Roblox could handle AAA style experiences. And that's where we start seeing games like Frontlines, Rolling Thunder, and Winds of Fortune. All of them were supposed to be these big, polished showcases that can make you forget you were even playing Roblox to begin with. Okay, so what did Roblox actually get for all of this money? So let's go through some of the biggest showcase projects. Firstly, the one you've probably seen before is Frontlines. This was a crown jewel of the entire thing. It looked like Call of Duty running inside Roblox. Realistic gun models, recoil, sound design. The devs spent almost 5 years on it, and it does show. People online were double taking, saying things like, wait, is this even Roblox? Then you had Rolling Thunder. This one went for a Battlefield vibe, big maps, vehicles, different modes. It was meant to show that Roblox could handle scale, not just one room or one city, but full-on tactical battlefields. Next was Winds of Fortune. Instead of a shooter, this one was an open-world pirate role-playing game. You could sail ships, explore islands, fight enemies, kind of Roblox's answer to Sea of Thieves. It looked great and had a ton of ambition behind it. And there were a bunch of others too: Neon Knights, Ruin, Riotfall, all trying to push visuals way past the usual Roblox standard. Roblox even funded Secret Neighbor, which was a licensed game, just to show they could bring outside studios onto the platform. So yeah, on paper, it was a stacked lineup: shooters, RPGs, even third-party IPs. These were the games meant to put Roblox on the map as a serious competitor in the gaming world, not just the platform for kids. But here's the thing: just because Roblox threw money at these projects doesn't mean they worked out the way Roblox hoped, and that's where things start to get interesting. So here's the problem: on paper, these games looked amazing, but in reality, Roblox's big AAA push didn't really take off, and there's a few reasons why to that. Most Roblox players aren't really looking for gritty shooters or complex RPGs. They're here for Brookhaven roleplays, Adopt Me Pets, or Blox Fruits grinding. So even when games like Frontlines or Rolling Thunder launched, people tried them out, but they didn't stick around. The audience just wasn't the same crowd that plays Call of Duty. Then there's the tech side. Roblox games have to run on everything: PCs, tablets, even cheap phones. And yeah, Frontlines looks insane on high-end computers, but try running it on a Chromebook and you're staring at a slideshow. Roblox is mobile first, and AAA visuals just don't scale that well across most devices that kids play on. And let's be real, even though Roblox was giving out $500,000 to $1 million per project, that's still tiny compared to real AAA studios. Call of Duty budgets can hit hundreds of millions. So yeah, $1 million sounds huge on Roblox, but it's not enough to compete with those kind of games long term, especially when you add in server costs, updates, and marketing. And finally, Roblox itself shifted focus. They renamed it the Creator Fund and started funding not just games, but social tools, video apps, even music events. It wasn't just about making the next Battlefield clone anymore. It was more about showing investors Roblox could be a platform for everything, not just games. So between the audience mismatch, the technical limits, the budget gap, and Roblox shifting direction, the AAA experiment never really became what they wanted. But it wasn't a total failure either. First, it proved Roblox could actually look and feel like a console game. Frontlines almost changed the way people talked about Roblox. It made headlines because most people didn't even believe it was running in studio. That set a new ceiling for what developers thought was possible. Second, the milestone funding model forced teams to act more like professional studios. Instead of just winging it, they had to hit goals, plan roadmaps, and deliver builds. That kind of discipline trickled down into other dev teams too, even outside of the game fund. Third, it opened the door for bigger studios and brands. Secret Neighbor, for example, was part of the fund. Roblox proved they could bring in outside companies, not just hobbyist teenagers anymore, and still get real games published on the platform. And maybe the biggest thing, it nudged Roblox forward. Even though most of the AAA games didn't stick, a lot of the tech improvements they pushed for, better lighting, better materials, better avatars, became part of Roblox as a whole. So even your average simulator looks way more polished today than it did 5 years ago. So yeah, Roblox didn't exactly turn into the next Call of Duty, but the AAA experiment wasn't fully wasted. It raised expectations, it gave us some amazing showcase games, and it proved that Roblox isn't just stuck as this blocky kid platform anymore. So, in the end, Roblox's big AAA push didn't really flip the platform on its head. Most players went back to Brookhaven, Adopt Me, and the usual front page stuff, but it still mattered, because now, people know Roblox can pull off games that look and feel way beyond what anyone expected, and that ceiling, it keeps moving higher every year. The game fund might not have turned Roblox into Call of Duty, but it left us with some wild experiments, some incredible tech upgrades, and at least a glimpse of what Roblox could be if they ever went all in. So, what do you think? Should Roblox start AAA again, or should they stick to being Roblox? If you enjoyed the video, let me know, and subscribe for more content like this. Join the Discord too, so you can be updated on when the next video drops, or just come and hang out with devs and other players. I also have a second channel where I just go over general gaming content rather than just purely Roblox content, so if that interests you, check it out. See ya.